All right, guys, we are back here at Knott's Berry Farm to give you guys some park updates. And man, we have some MonteZOOmas and some scary farm updates. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get this video started right. As soon as we walked in, we saw construction happening on the right side. Are we gonna get a grab and go again? I'm just kidding. Are they going to be removing the ticket booths up in the front and actually have ticket booths right there on the right side and on the left side? Only time will tell, but there is work being done on the front entrance.
Oh my gosh, it's been a minute since I've seen you two. I know. Well, I'm back here. You guys look fantastic. I don't want the Boysenberry Festival to be over yet, but I'm having so much fun actually seeing you guys' outfits. Well, it's always great to see you too. Snoopy's Tender Paw Twister. Unfortunately, the attraction is closed. That's right. It's in maintenance, guys.
Let's see what's new at MonteZOOma's. Man, through an Instagram that I definitely stumbled on, the track is here. And they officially confirmed that that's the track, well, the original track of MonteZOOma. Is MonteZOOma's returning in 2026? Filming this in 2 different days. So this is what the vice president and general manager of Knott's Berry Farm, John Storbeck, had to say. We look forward to sharing all of the details of the new ride soon. But please know, we are just as anxious as our fans to debut MonteZOOma's The Forbidden Fortress and complete the reimagined Fiesta Village. That's awesome. I can't wait to start covering this more and more, to start seeing the tarps go down and MonteZOOma's return.
I guess that's one way to block the hole.
I was actually here when they put up the entire wall, and I did mention that they were doing the concrete, which they are currently doing the concrete because I believe they just busted a pipe. But pretty much the reason why they had to do the entire concrete, when I actually posted that video on Instagram, everybody had their take on it, like, hey, we should have the mini coaster there, or we should have the Camp Snoopy Theater right there. It was funny. I love you guys. That was awesome. Always great to see you, Mr. Boysen. Oh, there you go. Bear hug. There we go. See you guys later. Uh-oh, a new grave has popped up here at the cemetery. What is it? We actually don't know, but we're gonna stay tuned for that one.
The Calico Mine has officially returned, except for the waterfall, that is, and the water is still not in operation just about yet. But it is so fantastic to definitely see it rolling by once more.
Train 1. Oh, there she is. It's Moxie. wait, where's Bronny at? Oh, he's over there still. Okay. Maybe he'll bring back some pies. That's right, because it's the Boysenberry Festival. Well, it's always great to see you, Moxie. All right, so a lot of you guys actually talked to me and was like, dude, what about the berry tails? Is the berry tails gonna go away? Should we have the berry tails go away? And the MS-DOS screen is still there. So I don't know, at the most part, it's a hit and miss sometimes. Whether you're gonna have a good time on the attraction, whether you're gonna go dizzy, or you're only gonna have one eye. What is the verdict on this attraction? I don't know. Let's just bring back the Kingdom of the Dinosaurs in a modern take. That'd be awesome. Yeah, check it out. Look at new shirts have arrived here at Knott's Berry Farm. Look at that. It looks like the collegiate line. All right, so this jacket runs about $49.99. This one runs about $62.99. This one actually runs $26.99. And then this one actually runs $59.99. And what's even dope is they have the Six Flags Entertainment Corporation right here. Sick looking tumblers. Dang, a $89.99 value. And then we get my best friend's favorite, the crop top. All right, so the crop top runs about $24.99. We had the new sweet looking hats right there. Yeah, this is the whole collegiate line right here. All right, and another one we actually stopped by is a brand new shirt for one of the attractions here. The accelerator line. Look at this look right here. That is sick. And it actually gives some details in there at 82 miles per hour, 205 feet tall, 2,202 feet long. Wow. There's the front part. This one's about $26.99 for this one, and about $39.99 for the sweatshirt. Dude, they went all in on the accelerator. Look at this. That accelerator hat. Look at this stitched up hat right here. $24.99. Brand new hat. Talking about Knott's Berry Farm's exclusive attraction shirts, let's actually discuss the elephant in the room. All right, so let's talk about a possible new coaster we talked about in the last video. There is rumors speculating around the water cooler. Is Jaguar going away? Now they did actually mention the maker is not doing the attraction. Are they going to be possibly removing that attraction and getting a new coaster there? That's the one thing I didn't actually ponder in my head. We were talking about Accelerator, we were talking about Coast Rider, but we didn't mention Jaguar. Jaguar's been here for a long time. Could that be one that they say Vamoose to? I mean, who knows, right? And I'm excited. I'm all for the speculations. Let's go. Want to say thank you so much to everybody for coming up to me and saying hi as well. We were at Retro Palm Springs. We had some people come up to us and say hello. I love you guys. You guys are the best fans of all time. There's been a lot of speculations, a lot of rumors, what's kind of flying by on what's coming. This is the year that Knott's Berry Farm can actually separate itself from all the rest. And that means this merger. What this merger entails for the future of Scary Farm. I say at the most part, just go all in. Bring in the DC universe and let's do it. I'm very excited that we're halfway to Halloween and I cannot wait to start seeing more and more updates for Knott's Scary Farm. And actually, the most part, we may or may not get a new type of Forsaken Lake or a gauntlet. So we'll see. Only time will tell, but that's just whispers.
And there it is. Ghost Rider is quiet.
It's all 4 days.
All right, so we got the facade. We got the front facade. We have the side facade. We got the roofing that's pretty much done there. Well, part of it. Most of it's going to be covered up soon. But it makes me think, because we're looking at how the front facade actually looks because it's white. I thought for a second, because they have the Christmas ornaments there. I mean, again, everyone's speculating that there could be a Christmas type of theme, like a Krampus type of theme to it. I don't know, because even though it's white, just like they're doing with MonteZOOmas, they're actually pre-painting that itself first. With it being just a white paint in general, there's no way that Knott's is just gonna make a white wall in a sense. It has to be a primer. It could be like a grayish wall, black wall, or brown, whatever it is. We still speculate. All right, and they got the fencing up here. Look at it, they got the fencing all the way over. I mean, I think they're getting ready for the return of Soak City. The refurbishments look like they're pretty much complete now. So now we got the refurb done. There's no scaffolding. Everything's been painted. Everything looks good. All right.
Just an FYI, they have the single day admissions for $69.99. Gold passes at $135. So admission to Knott's Berry Farm and Soak City. But if you want to get a prestige pass, you get Soak City and Knott's Berry Farm as well, which is $375. Oddly enough, the other one is actually not priced.
That is it for today's awesome adventure. We walked around Knott's Berry Farm to see some park updates, talk to you about MonteZOOma's Revenge, and you know what? We had an incredible time. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it an awesome thumbs up. If you guys haven't, make sure right now you guys are subscribed. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go. Dude, this has been an update for a while, and there's still nothing being done for this little part right here. Dang.